Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the evening of March the 4th, 2025, coming to you from headquarters. And I've been wanting to do this video. Actually, I wanted to do it Sunday. Forgot, wanted to do it Monday, forgot. I'm doing it now. Because there's so many young people, my grandkids are spreading the word to their friends in school and friends where they don't go to school to sign up and start to follow Crypto Mentor 99. This YouTube channel has always been, will be currently, and will be continue into the future to be family friendly. So you may not understand cryptocurrency, that's okay. You may not like cryptocurrency, that's okay. You may not like hearing about my daily walks and my plantar fasciitis or something, that's okay. But I guarantee this will always be a family friendly YouTube YouTube channel. That's the video, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family, and shout out to family friendly YouTube channels. Love y'all. Bye-bye.